In a bustling city, a wise old owl named Oliver perched atop a lush tree, watching over the world below. Every twilight, when the sun dipped low, vibrant hues danced across the sky. Oliver loved this shared hush of the city, where the sounds of life gently intertwined with nature's whispers. One evening, as the gentle breeze rustled the leaves, Oliver called upon his friends. Bella, the graceful fox, scampered up with gleaming amber eyes. Next, Gary, the wise tortoise, ambled in, bringing along his tales of the old parks once vibrant with greenery. "Tonight, we speak of a dream," Oliver said, his voice soft and soothing, like a lullaby. "A dream where nature thrives within our city." The three friends inspired one another. Bella suggested they plant wildflowers in neglected corners. Gary spoke of the need for clean rivers. They envisioned a garden where every creature could thrive together. Inspired, they ventured into the heart of the city, where gray met green amidst the noise. They found a forgotten park, its bench worn but hopeful. Together, they began to gather seeds, planting them with love and intention. Each seed carried a promise of beauty. As days passed, vibrant flowers bloomed in colors brighter than a painter's palette. The melodies of birds returned, harmonizing with the city's hustle. Slowly, other animals joined. Squirrels danced, and butterflies fluttered with joy. Their small adventure had blossomed into a vibrant community. The city felt alive, more serene. Oliver smiled, knowing their little dream was shared by many. In their hearts, they learned that harmony could exist even in the busiest places. Together, they had created